Hey guys, welcome to another daily vlog. Today I thought I'd do something a little bit different. I get so many people ask, I don't know, maybe it's just a very common question, but I get a lot of people ask what like filming equipment, cameras and that sort of thing I use to capture all my content. Now, I'm definitely not a photographer or a videographer or have that background at all. So I do not use like high-tech equipment or big cameras or anything like that. And if you don't know already, we are traveling like full time, so with 3 kids. So we have got a lot of luggage and I cannot carry another bag with like a nice big camera in it. So we just use our phones. We've just got Apple phones and GoPros because they're small and they're convenient and they get really good footage. I do have a drone as well, which we definitely need to get out and use a lot more because it just gets the best footage, but we just haven't mastered the skill of that yet. So, you know, more drone footage coming soon. But I thought I would do this video now because it seems fitting seeing my hubby Aaron just came home with a new GoPro. Yeah, so hubby just came home with the new GoPro 13 Black. I don't really know that much about it, but I do know that it comes with, or you're able to now get some pretty cool new lenses for them. You can fit the ND filters, ultra wide and macro lenses, so that's going to be a cool new feature. Yeah, so let's open it up and take a look inside. Oh, I don't want to wreck the box, but it is glued shut. I'm assuming it's going to be like the same size as the old GoPros and fit the same cases. Because yeah, we've got like a creative studio kind of case for this one where it has the microphone and light and things like that attached. And then yeah, we obviously use the Rode like wireless mics because sometimes there is a lot of background noise that we need to cut out. So this is what comes in the box. There we go. Okay. Yeah, so it comes with a little bit of information, some nice stickers. And then in the box we have got your charging cable, your battery. Let's see here. There's your battery. It's got your mounting system like they all come with, but this one looks a little bit different. Let's have a look. This is the camera. Let's have a look at it. It's all wrapped up very nicely. Your camera must be updated before you can use it. Let's pull all this off. Oh, she's pretty. Don't make it easy to get that off. There we go. Yeah, so it actually looks, I'm looking at the older version there. It's very similar. It's got like a bigger screen here as well. So yeah, this is the GoPro 13 Black. Hopefully we'll be able to capture some really cool footage on this for you guys. We've also just grabbed one of these invisible sticks. I've not used them before, but they look like they get some pretty cool footage. So I'm excited to give this a go. Let's try that one out tomorrow. So yes, guys, this is the new GoPro 13. And this is pretty much the only equipment that we use to film all our footage on. So thanks again for watching, guys. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe and I'll see you guys tomorrow.